Here I have my plantains ready to go to the oven. After slicing this with my hand, you can check out my other videos how I made my plantain chips or how I sliced them. But here is hand sliced. I use my hand to slice this. After slicing them, I sprinkled some salt, garlic powder, and vegetable oil on it, rubbed oil on it, and now it is ready to go to the oven. I just use my hand to rub it round, then spread it in the oven. So now it's time to take it. Spread it on the tray, sorry. Now it's time to take it to the oven. My oven is preheating there. It just gave me a alert that is off. So I'm now going to place them in the oven. See you later when the thing is already done. Hello, and bun.